soak me.
What?
Don't soak me.
Are you filming?
Yeah.
Do I get to talk through this film?
Go for it.
This used to be my favorite ride when I was a kid.
I do love log flumes. I just don't like getting soaked.
That's why I thought, let's do it now.
Yeah.
Before we're like too wet.
Yeah.
Or before we're about to leave and we don't have time to drive.
Right.
That's really good.
We both have a drive.
Yes. Although mine's a lot less than yours is.
Yeah. Triple loop, are you open? Does not look like it. So I'll have to come back next year. Keep adding 1 credit every time.
Which one did you add this time?
The Lost Coaster.
Oh yeah, you told me
I wrote it backwards too.
It's a trick, isn't it?
Yeah, nothing like it.
Beats you up pretty bad.
Yeah, I couldn't see where I was going, so I couldn't brace myself. Luckily the seats are padded pretty well. Oh, not bad. At least I didn't have a wave going over my head like on some log flumes. So that's good. Just a few splashes.